We are going to watch an actual flight from Sydney to Johannesburg. Watch carefully and notice that something is wrong about this flight.
Won't you come see about me? I'll be alone, dancing, you know it, baby. Tell me.
Notice the flight path displayed on the sit-back screen. Also, the position of Sydney.
Love strange, so real in the dark. Think of the tender things that we were working on. Slow change may pull us apart. When the light gets into your heart, baby.
Is that Antarctica?
Forget about me. Don't you forget about me. Will you stand above me? Look my way.
Another video showing the same flight path.
Keeps falling, rain keeps falling down, down, down. Will you recognize me? Call my name, walk on by. The rain keeps falling, rain keeps falling.
Same flight path as you can see.
Down, down. Don't you try and pretend it's my feeling, we'll win in the end. I won't harm you or touch you.
Here is the problem. Why was the plane flying off course? That's not the shortest path between those two cities.
You forget about me. I'll be alone, dancing, you know it, baby. Going to take you apart. I'll put us back together at heart, baby.
It doesn't match the Great Circle Map flight path. Even on Google Earth, the shortest flight path and the position of Sydney aren't the same as shown in the actual flight as we saw.
Forget about me as you walk on by. Will you call my name as you walk on by? Will you call my name when you walk away? Will you walk away?
2 questions. Why do they fly above Antarctica when it's not the shortest distance? What is the real position of Sydney? It matches the trade winds over Antarctica over the flat Earth. The Earth is flat.
I'll say